Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 7, today I am going to take your Agricultural Studies class, and today we will discuss oral questions for oral test. My dear students, there are 25 questions for your oral test, and all of you will memorize these questions from your oral test. You don't need to write the question in your exam. You will be asked the question orally and you will give the answer of these questions orally. So let's read this question. Number 1. Tell the name of some maize varieties. Answer is Barnali, Mohor, Shubro are varieties of maize. So there are other varieties. You can also say the name of these varieties. Number 2. How much seeds are needed per hectare for popcorn maize? Answer is 15 to 20 kg seeds are needed per hectare for maize. Number 3. How many days are needed to complete lifespan of maize? The answer is 135 to 155 days are needed to complete lifespan of maize plant. Number 4. What is the height of African marigold? And the answer is the height of African marigold is about 100 centimeter. Number 5. Which crops can grow well in full sunlight? And the answer is in full sunlight maize and sugar canes grow well. Number 6. Which crops can grow well in shade? And the answer is shade is suitable for tea and coffee plants. That means tea and coffee plants can grow well in shade. Number 7. Which is cardinal temperature? For sustenance, all plants need optimum, maximum and minimum temperature, which is called cardinal temperature. Number 8. When hailstorms occur in Bangladesh? And the answer is every year hailstorms occur in Bangladesh in the months of Chaitra and Baishakh. Number 9. How many agroecological zones are there in Bangladesh? And the answer is based on weather and climate, Bangladesh is divided into 30 agroecological zones. Number 10. Tell the name of some viral diseases of domestic bird. Ranikhet, Gamboro, bird flu are viral diseases for domestic bird. Now number 11. How much space does an adult goat require? The answer is every adult goat requires 1 square meter of space. Now number 12. What is the scientific name of jackfruit? The answer is scientific name of jackfruit is Autocarpus heterophyllus. Number 13. How many times jackfruit tree bear fruit? The answer is jackfruit trees bear fruit once a year. Number 14. Where does mahogany tree come from? The answer is mahogany trees are originally from Jamaica and Central America. Number 15 is how many varieties of bamboos are there in Bangladesh? The answer is there are 23 varieties of bamboos in Bangladesh. Number 16. When flowering happens in bamboo tree? And the answer is flowering happens in bamboo trees once in every 100 years. Number 17. How much time bamboo tree takes to mature? The answer is bamboo trees take 3 years to become mature. Number 18. What is the scientific name of neem? And the answer is scientific name of neem is Malea asdarach. Number 19 is how much forest resources do we have in Bangladesh? And the answer is we have 17% forest resources in Bangladesh. Number 20 is what is the name of most popular and easy way of producing seedlings from the root? The answer is the most popular and easy way of producing seedlings from the root is called booty grafting. Number 21. From which tree matchsticks are made? The answer is from the wood of gawa, shimul, kadam and chatim matchsticks are made. Number 22. Tell the name of furniture making bamboo tree. And the answer is for making furniture, muli, maral and talla bamboos are usually used. Number 23. Tell the name of vehicles making bamboo. The answer is for making vehicles, borak bamboo is used. Number 24. Tell the uses of neem oil. And the answer is neem oil is used as germicide. Number 25. Which one causes dysentery in poultry birds? And the answer is dysentery in poultry birds is caused by protozoa. So my dear students, there are 25 questions with answer in your oral sheet, and you will practice those questions at home again and again for your oral test. And dear students, there is a homework and the number is 14. You will write question answer 1 to 10 and you will write only answer. You don't need to write the question. From oral sheet you will write 1 to 10, only question answer on 1 to 10. And I repeat, you will not write the question, you will write only answer. So this is your homework. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope we have understood our today's topic. So dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. So dear students, practice a lot and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.